So in this session, we'll be discussing about the next application of GPS, that is military and spacecraft guidance applications. How GPS is used for tracking the missiles. We will be discussing about in this military applications, and in the spacecraft guidance applications, we'll be discussing about the how GPS is useful for altitude determination, orbit determination, etc. So let us say military applications. As we all know that GPS was originally developed by US Department of Defense, which was developed mainly for the military applications, and later it came into existence even for the civilian uses. So with this development, many other countries have also developed different military forces, including Australian Defence Force. Some of them have even decided to develop their own satellite navigation networks for using during war times. GPS is mainly used to map the location of vehicles and other assets on various battlefields in real times. So which helps in order to manage the resources and protect the soldiers on the ground. So GPS will provide the map of the location of vehicles and other assets in the battlefields. So with that map, they can manage their resources and protect the soldiers on the ground. GPS technology is also fitted to military vehicles and other hardware such as missiles, providing them with the tracking and guidance to various targets at all times of the day and in all weather conditions. So GPS is also available. It is also installed in the military vehicles and other hardware such as even it is installed in missiles. So it will provide the tracking and guidance of the various targets in all conditions of the weather and at all times of the day. So we are using GPS in military vehicles and missiles. So they can track and guide their various targets. So military GPS applications include various applications. In that, the first one is navigation. So in navigation, soldiers use GPS to find objectives even in the dark or in unfamiliar territory, and to coordinate troop and supply movement. So GPS is used for tracking the objectives in the dark and unfamiliar territory, so that they can coordinate and make a supply movement. So in the United States Armed Forces, commanders use commanders digital assistance, and lower ranks use digital assistance for tracking their objectives. Next application is target tracking. So various military weapons systems use GPS to track potential ground and air targets before flagging them as hostile. So we'll also track the targets by using this GPS. So these weapon systems pass target coordinates to the precision guided munitions or missiles to allow them to engage targets accurately. So by using this GPS, we can track the target, and then we use the weapon systems to target the coordinates. So military aircraft, particularly in air to ground roles, use GPS to find targets. Next one, missile and projectile guidance. After targeting the, um, after tracking the target, we'll be guiding the missile. So the GPS allows accurate targeting of the military weapons, including missiles, precision guided munitions, and artillery shells. So after tracking the target, next GPS is used for guiding the missile towards the target. Next one is search and rescue. Suppose if any missile is lost, we can search and rescue it by using the GPS. Next, reconnaissance is getting the military information, that is regarding the location of the enemy, etc. So for this, patrol movement can be managed more closely. So GPS is used for getting the information regarding the location of the enemy. Next, In military applications, GPS satellites also carry a set of nuclear detonations detectors consisting of optical sensors, X-ray sensor, dosimeter, and an electromagnetic pulse sensor (W sensor) that form a major portion of the United States nuclear detonation detection system. They also carry nuclear detonations. So these are the applications of the military applications of the GPS. Next, we'll be discussing about the spacecraft guidance applications. How GPS is useful for guiding the spacecraft. In spacecraft guidance, GPS provides guidance systems for crewed vehicles to the management, tracking, and control of communication satellite constellations for monitoring the Earth from space. How it is useful is it is used for tracking and control of the communication satellite constellations. For monitoring the Earth from space, we use this GPS. So some of the benefits of using this GPS include first one is navigation solution. So GPS provide navigation solutions. That is, it will be providing high precision orbit determination and minimum ground control cruise with existing space qualified GPS units. So it will be providing high precision orbit determination. Next, attitude solutions. So the replacing high cost onboard attitude sensors with low cost multiple GPS antennas and specialized algorithms. So in order to determine to obtain the attitude solutions, instead of using attitude sensors which are cost effective, we'll be using the multiple GPS antennas with the same cost. Next, GPS is also used to provide the timing solutions. So it will replace the expensive spacecraft atomic clocks with low-cost precise time GPS receivers. So we are replacing atomic clocks with GPS time receivers. Next, constellation control, providing single point of contact to control for the orbit maintenance of large number of space vehicles such as telecommunication satellites. So it is also used for controlling the satellite constellation. We use the GPS. So by controlling the orbit maintenance of large number of vehicles, for example, in telecommunication satellites. Next, formation flying, allowing precision satellite formations with minimal intervention from ground crews. So it will be providing precision satellite formations with minimal intervention from ground crews. Next, virtual platforms. So it will be providing automatic station keeping and relative position services. Excuse me. So it is providing automatic So it is providing automatic station keeping and relative position services for advanced science tracking maneuvers such as interferometry. So it will be providing automatic station keeping and relative position services for tracking maneuvers. Next, launch vehicle tracking. So replacing or augmenting tracking radars with high precision, low cost GPS units for range safety and autonomous flight termination. So we are replacing radars with the low-cost GPS units for range safety and autonomous flight termination. Next, the Space Shuttle utilizes GPS for guidance in all phases of its operation, like ground launch, on orbit, re-entry, and landing. So here, GPS guides the spacecraft on from the ground launching, entering into the satellite orbit, and re-entry if it is out of the orbit will bring it back to the correct orbit and landing. So GPS enables various functions for spacecraft applications like attitude determination, that is heading pitch and roll, time synchronization. It will also provide the time synchronization with the clocks of the GPS receiver and satellite clock. And next, orbit determination and absolute relative position determination. So GPS will also provide applications like orbit determination, position determination, time synchronization, etc. The German Space Agency DARA challenging microsatellite payload CHAMP has been using GPS for attitude determination and time synchronization since 2000. So German Space Agency is using GPS for attitude determination and time synchronization since 2000. So in low Earth orbit, CHAMP also uses GPS measurements for atmospheric and ionospheric research and applications in weather prediction and space weather monitoring. So in the low Earth orbit, CHAMP also uses GPS for atmospheric and ionospheric measurements and applications in weather prediction and space weather monitoring. Next, GPS in conjunction with ground processing for precise orbit determination with accuracies on the order of 3 centimeters is used to conduct its mission of oceanographic research. So GPS is also used for conducting the mission of its oceanographic research. Next, the International Space Station employs GPS to provide position, velocity, and attitude determination. So the International Space Station also uses GPS for determining position, velocity, and attitude determination. So this is about the military and spacecraft applications.